Imagine a man who started as an opportunist, a party-loving businessman with a flair for the dramatic, entangled in the web of one of history's darkest eras. A man who, against all odds, transformed from a profiteer in the shadows of Nazi Germany to a beacon of humanity, saving over 2,200 lives. This is the extraordinary tale of Oskar Schindler, a story of redemption, risk, and unbreakable resolve. From Poland to Jerusalem. Stay with us as we dive deep into the details of his life, uncovering the man behind the myth, the flaws that made him human. If this story intrigues you, hit that like button right now and subscribe for more in-depth historical explorations. Help us bring these stories to light. Oskar Schindler was born on April 28, 1908, in the small industrial town of Zwittau, Moravia, then part of the Austro-Hungarian Empire. He was the eldest in a middle-class Catholic family. His father, Hans, owned a farm machinery business, sparking Oskar's early interest in mechanics. Studying engineering, he was known for his adventurous spirit. He loved motorcycles, racing a rare Moto Guzzi that was quite rare at the time. The dissolution of the empire after World War I left the family in the newly formed Czechoslovakia, navigating shifting national identities. In 1928, he married Emily Pelzel. Their union was marked by Oskar's love for the high life. He was a self-proclaimed sybarite seeking quick fortunes. In the 1930s, Schindler's career was a roller coaster. After his father's business faltered, he worked various jobs, even attempting a poultry farm. He was arrested in 1938 for espionage on behalf of Germany, but was released after the Munich Agreement allowed Nazi annexation of the Sudetenland. By 1939, at age 31, Schindler formally joined the Nazi Party, likely for business advantages rather than ideological zeal. Following the invasion of Poland, Schindler arrived in Krakow in October, eager to capitalize on the occupation as a cunning operator. With advice from Itzhak Stern, Schindler took over a bankrupt factory, renaming it DEF. It grew rapidly, producing kitchenware for the army. The ghetto's establishment in 1941 forced Jews into cramped quarters, but Schindler's factory offered blue cards, temporary protection from deportation. Witnessing ghetto liquidations in 1943 horrified him. He negotiated to keep his workers in a sub-camp at the factory, providing better care. Schindler's parties with SS officers were covers for bribes, cognac, diamonds, cash, to protect essential workers. Courage won the day. In 1944, he compiled Schindler's List, 1,200 names. Women diverted to Auschwitz were rescued through even more of his personal fortune. In Brunlitz, the factory produced faulty shells, shielding workers until liberation. Schindler fled west, aided by a letter from his heroic workers. After the war, they fled to Argentina, starting a farm that eventually failed. Schindler struggled financially, supported by donations from the Jews he saved. Honored as righteous among the nations in 1962, he visited Israel often. Over 7,000 descendants of the Schindler Juden live today. Oskar Schindler died in 1974. His life reminds us that redemption is possible, even in darkness. I had to help them, there was no choice.